Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making cauliflower broccoli soup in the Ninja Foodi Blender. I made a smooth soup, but you can use the same recipe and choose hearty soup, and it's going to be just as good, just chunkier. So you have that option. Before we get started, all of the ingredients that I use and any of the items, if you're interested in purchasing them, that I use in the video will be linked in the description below. Be sure to hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button, because you guys, all year 2020, we're going to have Ninja Foodi Blender recipes coming out to you guys, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So this week we're doing cauliflower broccoli soup, and let's go ahead and dive in. Let me know in the comments below what your guys' favorite soup is. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so all we're going to need today is 1 cup of broccoli, a cup of carrots chopped. Now the broccoli is chopped as well, so I just split it in half. And then also 2 cups of cauliflower. This is also chopped in halves. And 4 cups of vegetable stock. So this is 4 cups, just about 4 cups. So we're going to be using this Swanson cooking stock vegetable stock, and let's see, it's about 32 ounces here. Then we have half a teaspoon of salt. You can add more for taste, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Now, to get started, this is the great thing about Ninja, is all you're going to do is just add all of the ingredients. So we'll start with the broccoli, we'll add the cauliflower, and we'll add the carrots. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and add the vegetable stock. And I'm sorry, you might hear my kids in the background. Okay. Okay. Then add the pepper and the salt. We're going to go ahead and add the lid. Okay. Then all we're going to do is put it on smooth soup mode. Now, if you like your soup chunky, you can turn it on chunky. I like smooth, so we're going to do smooth soup. And that's it. So we're going to go ahead and start the timer, and we'll be back. Okay, and now our soup is done. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh, it's really hot. Be careful, guys. So I'll just get a mitt that I have right here. Okay. Alright. Oh, it looks so good. If you guys wanted to add chunks to your soup, you could just turn it back on, put a couple pieces of broccoli, and, you know, just pulse it if you wanted. Or you could add it midway through the cycle so that it could soften. There's so many options with the soup option, or with the soup function on the Ninja Foodi Blender. And I just want to show you guys what the soup looks like here. It looks so good. It smells delicious. The whole house smells like it. And I have a spoon right here, and we're gonna go ahead and that's really good. The pepper adds just the right amount of taste, or just the right amount of flavoring, because you do get a taste of the pepper in the soup. But it is really good, you guys. Definitely, I would suggest making the cauliflower broccoli soup in the Ninja Foodi Blender. It is really, really good. Make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Blender recipes coming to you guys this year. And you guys have a great night.